that a chimpanzee? Hello! Welcome back to another Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking adventure. Solo today. Just gonna pedal out to the riverbank. It's gonna be a bit more serious, this one. The last one was a bit alcohol fueled and there wasn't a lot of camping going on, so should be doing a fair bit more campsite stuff tonight. All right. I think we're stopping. Busy? We're just circling back. We think we found a camp spot. We haven't been down this bit of the riverbank before. We have found camp. We've got a nice little spot here. We're on the riverbank. I think we're going to camp up on the top, which is a bit of a walking place, but we've got this nice little area down here. We're going to sit down here and camp, cook even.
Yeah, I think I'm going to kind of lay my tent out here and apologise to anyone who's walking.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to see anybody. No. I'm almost, if it was flatter, I would think about camping down here, but I think I'm going to pitch up down here.
Yeah, I think I'm going to kind of go here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Yep, 1 minute. Oh, sorry, I just stood on your foot then, didn't I?
We're going to fart. Just
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that's a bit touch and go.
I'll tell you what, that's quiet.
It's uncomfortably quiet.
Almost too quiet.
Yeah. Right, so we're gonna set our tents up. He's in a tent, I'm in a bivvy, hoop bivvy. We're gonna set them up. We're gonna eat first, and we'll set up later when all the walkers are gone. Cooking up.
Yeah. But for me, it's more boiling up, brother.
Boiling up, brother.
Boiling up, brother.
Isn't it peaceful here?
Yeah, it's lovely. Love this stuff.
It's like you need to. That was striking better. Sometimes you need to sort of. Seems like you need to deoxidise it, doesn't it? Or oxidise it even.
I might have even got that. Yeah, that's it. We've got a citronella candle going on here to stop the bugs. Tip coffee in there, do I? Again, still really dry out there, but we have water. I'm the enemy of wild camping.
Or is this the enemy of wild camping?
No,
is that the friend?
No, this is the convenience of wild camping.
Got a bit of an Indian theme tonight. I'm on the lamb with garlic naan and samosas. He's on the, let's not worry about that. We'll just...
Absolutely.
What are you doing there?
Well, I've got one of these Wayfarer things in there because that was the fad when we first got into Wildcamp, and I thought I'm going to use it before the end of the year.
The use by date's coming up.
Yeah, it's the same as that sticky toffee pudding, which I'm going to fire up later on. But they have their place. Excuse me, I got a crumb. They've got their place, and they're quite tasty, but they are quite expensive. I mean, you're looking at like £5 for one of these sachets. But I spent £6 on
we did do that when we started wild camping, didn't we? Because that's what you do. We're not really into that, really. We
discovered cooking.
Well, yeah, we like to cook, don't we? So I'm cooking, he's not. That's the contrast of this video. I'll watch I Hear You Cry. I have gone for a ghost ship. I've got these Brooklyn Brewery. I thought that'd be quite nice for my curry, but I've already eaten my curry, so I'm going to have them after. One of those, and another one of those. Oh! And we'll have a look at Jay's in a minute. I think he's already drunk one of his, though.
Yeah, I must admit, I broke the rule. I cracked one open, so I'm going to tell you, only because I got this next to an ice block. Old Speckled Hen, boop. And I got another Old Speckled Hen, boop.
It's not quite how we do it, but...
Wow, Jamie. It's a barn owl.
Where?
He's doing his rounds. Come up, have a look.
Oh, eggs down here. Is this the walkabout?
Yeah, this could be. There's a barn owl on show. Look, he's going in for a kill. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, it's two.
I don't know. I don't know if that would come out on camera. Rab Ridge Raider tonight. We are perched just above the riverbank. Jay's here. He's in his MSR. I suppose if you'd have bought a bigger tent, you could have completely blocked the path off, couldn't you?
Hashtag glamping. Look, I told you he was going to give me some shit about this.
Right. I'm going to go and have an ale. No pudding?
No, I don't think so. I'm quite full up. That Wayfarer crap is pretty filling.
Well, we've got quite an epic ride back in the morning. Maybe we have breakfast and then we could even have pudding on the way home, couldn't we?
A 7 AM pudding?
Yeah.
Would that be a first for a wild camp?
World's first.
World first. Early morning.
We haven't done the world's first yet that we threatened last year, have we?
God, that will be amazing. This could be a long winter. We've got plenty of
yep.
adventures planned.
Yeah, 52 wild camps a year. We
not far from it.
got to keep them fresh.
Jamie's setup is over there.
Are we doing a walkabout?
There ain't anywhere to go, is there?
We could go up over that bank and have a look.
Yeah, we could do that because there's some barn owls there. That would be pretty cool. I'm there. It looks like a completely stealth, but if I was to walk out...
God, if you could get...
I know.
If you could get like a bag on here.
Oh, crikey.
A Bivi on here.
So...
Oh, down there would be wicked.
About 2 miles, maybe 1 mile, I don't know, down there, that's where the bridge camp one we did.
Walkabout?
Walkabout.
Right, I'm going to get my head torch. Grab my drink. I'll leave my stuff down there.
Did you do me again?
I don't think I have, no. Are you booked in on the site? On your glamping site?
I knew, you see, I'm just going to play along with it, yes.
Just go and make sure that you're all booked in.
Am I booked in? I mean, am I booked in? Yes. Yes, I'm booked in. I'm here. Here I am. For God's sake. That's amazing. Please, can I keep that?
Right.
Save it for you.
Should we go and have a look?
Yeah.
I think it's just fields up here, but
Well, we might see that owl again.
do they operate this time of night?
Yep. Oh, shit. Get stung. I'm really glad.
I don't know where we can go.
Nowhere. Oh, these walkabouts are becoming, you know.
Bit of a bind.
Well,
I don't think there's anywhere to walk, is there?
I'm not.
I would be interested to have a look on here for another day, though. Oh, I'll tell you what it is. It's when they dug the relief channel, they put all the earth up on it. This isn't a natural river. They dug this channel
In the 50s?
I can't remember when it was.
It's pretty good down there, isn't it?
They dug this channel in case the tidal river flooded. They could let all the water into here. And I think I've said about this before. They found dinosaur bones just along here.
And I'm going to tell you another
And
miracle.
they're in a museum in Cambridge. Just turn your light off.
That speckled hen's nice.
Me again. I'm going to get on my pudding.
You're putting up at the same time as last week you went to sleep.
We're pudding in. We think we might have a little bit of rat company tonight. So we're thinking whether to put a load of food down by the water to keep them away, because we're worried about if they're going to chew through the tent.
I have an MSR glamping pod. And I'm convinced that the rat won't get through the lining. But who knows?
I'm not quite so convinced in my rab thing. I think they're going to be in there. Right, I'm going to turn in, and then I'll check on you in a minute.
Yeah, I'm going to have another wee. And
It's bedtime now. We're going to get up. There's probably going to be some quality pictures with a little bit of music over the top. Same old. And then one of us is going to have a delicious breakfast. Right then. See you in the morning. Morning, survived the night. He's all right. I could hear him all night. I need to go back to the 30 paces, don't we?
yeah, I felt
Or more.
That. I snored. I woke myself up. That's how bad I was.
Is that a chimpanzee? Oh. See that fish come up there?
Yeah, like you say, how did they get there?
I suppose somebody introduced them. Who was that? On the old horror films. Somebody introduced them. Is it somebody Price?
Vincent.
Yeah.
But you didn't think you were going to get Vincent Price impressions this time in the morning out in the middle of nowhere?
Don't worry, that won't make the edit.
No, it's easing off now. It's getting excited.
That's it.
Turn your hose pipes off, ladies and gentlemen. The rain stopped.
Is that it?
The rain subsided.
Mrs. Noisy's gone.
Oh,
And her dogs.
God, yeah.
Right. Oh, that was close.
Mrs. Decibel.
Right. We'll leave another camp spot as we found it. Nothing to see. Nothing to see.
There's a badger over there, didn't we?
Yeah, we just saw a badger on the bank.
That's cool, that
I
was.
didn't get it on film because it's a bit too far away, but you have to believe me. Me again. Shall we go?
Let's go past the noisy woman.
Yeah. Let's rock out! It's a fair way back. Let's just keep going. Left up here. Enjoy that?
Sorry?
Enjoy that?
I was miles away, you caught me sleeping it. I did. Great location. Really good.
I think we'll go back to that one.
Yeah.
Make sure I not get run over.
No,
Thanks for watching.
No aggro pub.
No. Yeah. Good pub, good points. See you on the next one.
Yeah.
Good enough for this malarkey yet?
No.
Oh.